Hey guys, it's Onelsy and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna go and get a haircut. It has been almost a year since I got a haircut and I didn't really love it. I went to a professional and it just wasn't the length that I wanted, and I could have just fixed it myself, but I grew it out this past year because of my wedding. So I grew it out and I styled it. I had extensions for it. So now that that's over, I'm very excited for a change. I want to change. Let me show you guys how it looks. It's not that long and it's just wet. I just refreshed it a bit. I want them to see how my hair looks this way. I do want a chop, like I don't want it below my shoulders, and I think that's what it was that I didn't love from last year. It was past my shoulders, and with my type of hair, when it gets long, as you can see, it looks more wavy, and hopefully when I get my hair cut, I'll have more volume because that's what I'm looking for. I'm excited. I'm also nervous. I've been to the salon before, not particularly for myself. I've been with like my family. They recommended. If anything, I could fix it. I've seen the pigtails haircut that Mains by Mielle has videos on, and so I do want that chop, and then if anything, I could just come back and fix it. And I could have done this last year, but I didn't. But I'm trying to have the length like this. Obviously these pieces would be shorter. I want more face framing pieces. I do want like that rounded shape. I did have that haircut like years and years ago and I loved it. It looked so good. My hair looked so healthy and bouncy and voluminous. That's what I'm looking for. This just is not it. This is not it. I haven't even trimmed it. The last time I trimmed it was probably a few months ago. I've just been trying to grow it out, but it's time. It's time. So yeah, I'm looking for like more shoulder. Obviously I would have layers on top. I have pictures that I'm gonna just show them, and I'll try to explain to them. I want short layers, and the longest would probably be like the shoulder. So I'm hoping that I can get the results that I'm looking for. I will come back to show you guys how it looks, and if I love it, I do want to come back and show you guys like a week from now and let you know if I like it or not. So yeah, I'll be back. Just wanted to show you guys how it looks. Excuse my mess. But yeah, that's how it looks. So I'm very excited to get this haircut. I will be back to show you the results. Hey guys, I'm back for my haircuts. These are the results. It's short. It's so weird. Just like, I haven't had it this short in years and years. Last year I got a haircut. It was not this short. It was like right below my shoulder, and I didn't like it because it just felt long, and it grew out. I just let it grow out, but this time I wanted it above the shoulder. Like, I know my hair grows out fast and I wanted a bit of change. This is just like I can feel. So yeah, so I got the haircuts the way you guys saw how my hair looked before. That's how I went. I just wanted them to see like how my hair looked in general. And I did ask them to cut it shoulder length. The longest I wanted was that, and I wanted some layers, so that's kind of like what I see here. And then I also asked for face framing pieces. This isn't like how I style it. Like I usually have it like a side part or something, so I'm gonna have to see how I style it. But after they cut it, they washed it, and so after they washed it, the woman who cut my hair, she styled it. She put like this cream gel thing. She said it was like a combo, and she just scrunched it up and then diffused it a bit. I kind of like it. When she did the first snip, I was just like, dang, I can't go back now. But I love it. I can't say I love it. Not yet, because I have to feel it out. I will probably come back in a week to show you guys like how it looks, what I've been doing. Since she already washed it, I'm not going to, like, I'm touching it too much, but I will probably put like an oil in it just to keep that cast. Like there is still some like, not like hard pieces, but like obviously when you put a gel in, it's gonna have like those pieces. It's not completely dry either, so I wanted volume, and I'll probably get that. I use like brushes and stuff and a wide tooth comb when I detangle, and then I use the Denman brush to style. So I want to see how my hair looks while I using these type of tools, using these brushes. And then I want to show you guys how my hair looks like a week from now. That's how it looks. I'm just like, I can't believe. Let me show you guys how it looks at the mirror. But yeah, that's the length of my hair now. It is bizarre. I haven't had it like this short in years. Okay, so can't really tell because I have a black shirt on, but that's how my hair looks. I just have to like put like an oil. Definitely recommend using an oil after you put the gel and once it's dry. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any curly hair, short curly hairstyles, because I'm definitely gonna need them now. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Like again, I just told them where I wanted the length, the longest length, and then like short layers, face framing pieces like these. And let me know if you guys have curly hair and what type of curly hair, because I can't really like tell. I haven't found my curly hair twin like when I'm researching YouTubers. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below any suggestions, any hair products, if you're a hair twin or if you have curly hair, wavy hair. Let me know.
1 week later.
Hey guys, so it's been a week and a day since I last filmed for my haircut. And the last time you saw me, my hair was just done from the hairdresser and it wasn't looking its best. I loved the length that it's at, but I was just more concerned about like the length, you know, because I knew that once I got home I could fix it, refresh it the next couple of days. I did wash it after myself before the work week. So now I have just refreshed it, and I'll share some of the products that I've been using. And I'm also going to oil it, or just scrunch it up a little bit with some oil, because there is like a a little bit of cast, as you can see. I'm gonna share with you guys some of the products that I've been using. I will probably wash my hair again tomorrow. So I wash my hair like once a week. I'm trying to do it twice a week, but the schedule, I'm working on trying to stick with some products and then determine whether or not it works for me. I'm that type of person that I just like trying different things and not really establishing if I like it. That's with a lot of things like hair products, skin products. So I'm really just trying to stick to a routine and figuring out if it works best for me. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I just used for my refresh. I don't know if I'm going to stick with that routine. It looks good. It has that cast like I said. So these are the two products that I used. I've had these for a while. This one is Running Low, as you can see. A leave-in that I used. This is the leave-in cream by Carol's daughter, and then this is Foam by Shea Moisture. I really like foams, especially for like a refresh. I really like using gels mainly for wash days, especially because it really holds the curls. But once I'm just doing a little bit of refresh, I usually just put this on without any like leave-in or anything, but today I just wanted to so I could show you guys my hair potential. And when I do use like a leave-in and a mousse or a gel, my hair just feels a lot softer. As you can see from when I first got my hair cut, it was just like one product. I didn't even see like what she put in. It just looked like moussey in a way, and she just scrunched it up and then dried it up, and then there was not a lot of love that like how I would do it and style it, especially when I'm using a tool. So I did use this after I just refreshed it with water, put in some leave-in, and then I also styled it, meaning I would lift it up from the roots and comb it with some tension. I have been watching Mains by Mielle for years, so I've been using this to just comb my curls and then just like shake it a little bit, and this is just how it looks. It's mostly dry. I did diffuse it, so I want to show you guys. This is this is the oil that I have been using. Again, it's like almost done, but I'm waiting until I finish some of these products to go and look for other products. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. I am looking forward to trying the Verb curl foam that Mains by Mielle worked with to create that product. I'm so excited to try it. So this is what I'm going to scrunch up my hair with. I'm not going to use a lot. Just want to show you guys. I can use a lot less product now because my hair is shorter. So I kind of just like do that praying hand, the ends, and I like to put a little on the roots, like especially because this is like a scalp treatment or a scalp and hair strengthening oil. So if you have like dry scalp, it's really good to put on like the night before when you want to wash your hair. So like say tomorrow I'm gonna wash my hair, this is going to help with that. So this is kind of like how I scrunch up my hair. Just want to show you guys how it looks. And fluff it out. You know, some people like doing it like upside down. I have a pick, so you can do that as well. But yeah, I just have been loving my hair. So yeah, it's been a week. I'm very happy with how my hair has been looking. I'm excited to try like new products and hairstyles, but I'm just very happy with like the results. This is not how I felt last year. It's so bizarre, but I'm loving the length. My husband even asked me like, would you go shorter? I'm like, absolutely. So yeah, I'll probably try that pig's tail haircuts in the upcoming months, just to like trim, not really like cut, but I want to maintain this length. I do not want to grow it out. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys like it, I love it. Within the next days it would get like fluffier and soft and stuff, so it's like very happy with how it looks. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos. Like and subscribe. Follow my socials. Instagram, I'm going to be updating more about my hair. Check out my Pinterest because I'm posting more stuff there as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.